Gigantic crater reveals how the Earth was 200,000 years ago. March 2, 2017. Channel Bumtemate AGC. Located in the boreal forest of Siberia, huge crater grows, on average, 10 meters per year. Dramatic beauty. With a design capriciously carving the landscape in a remote region of Russia, this hole already reaches 1 kilometer in length and 85 meters in depth. And it does not stop growing. The giant crater, named Batagikat, emerges in the boreal forest of Siberia as the soil until then had been permanently frozen per gelisolo, or permafrost, melts due to climate changes. The crater, which emerged in the 60s, has grown at an average rate of 10 meters per year. But in warmer years, that increase reached 30 meters, according to a study by the Alfred Wegener Institute in Potsdam, Germany. The institution has been monitoring the crater for a decade. Exposed layers with the melting of the pergelisolo indicate how they were climate, fauna and flora 200,000 years ago. Geological record. The crater is a rare opportunity to observe the past, the present and the future at the same time. The layers of sediment exposed reveal what the climate was like 200,000 years ago. Remnants of trees, pollen and animals indicate that in the past the area was warm, sheltering a dense forest. This geological record can help understand how the region will adapt to global warming in the future. And at the same time, accelerated crater growth is an immediate indicator of the increasing impact of climate change on the melting of pergelisolo. As it emerged, crater revealed signs of dense forest that existed on the site hundreds of thousands of years ago. Warming era. We want to know if climate change during the last ice age was characterized by great variability, with intercalated periods of warming and cooling, said Julian Merton, a professor at the University of Sussex in England. This is important because the climatic history of much of Siberia can still be considered a mystery. By reconstructing past environmental changes, it may be possible to make better predictions about similar climate changes in the future. 125,000 years ago, for example, there was an interglacial period, with temperatures several degrees above those recorded today. Understanding the ecosystem can help us understand how the region will adapt to the current warming of the climate, Professor Merton said. News, science, technology. Channel Bumtemate AGC.